welcome to my new channel. As you can probably see from the intro, my keyboard from the outside looks like any other keyboard, but in reality it is actually a modified keyboard that's able to play on a PS3, PS4, and PC using a Brooks Universal Fighting Board. So here's a few clips of me playing in tournaments. I want to show the fighting game community that you can actually play fighting games other than a fight stick and a gamepad. So I'm going to go out to more events to prove that a keyboard user can actually play competitively. I want to give a big shout out to FrankCastleAZ for making this possible. You can find his information in the link below, and they'll be able to hook you up with any kind of customized arcade sticks, keyboard, or anything like that. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below on what you guys think about this modified keyboard. And remember guys, play whatever's your height.